So, Wing Commander Abhi,
Yes, sir.
what are your views about Pak Army?
Captain, I hold the Pak Army in very high regard, and I was just hoping that there would be a Pak Army officer who comes and rescues me. Because ultimately, I know that the Pakistani army is also of soldiers. That is why, Captain, the first question that I asked you was, are you from the regular army?
Okay.
मारेगा कोई नहीं मारेगा नहीं मारेगा नहीं वो दुआ ऐसा ऊपर लटा दुबे की लड़ना पे जो मुझे गया उसका पासा निकला एक मिनट जिंदाबाद अल्लाह अकबर जिंदाबाद जिंदाबाद बात ठीक है बात दुआ पढ़ो पाक आर्मी जिंदाबाद